Welcome back, viewers. Today we're going to talk about banks are on board with the digital dollar. Here's what that means to your money. The financial landscape is undergoing a significant transformation and the rise of the digital currency. One of the most notable developments in this space is the growing support for banks to adopt the digital dollar. This video explores the implications of banks embracing currency and the potential impact that it could have on an individual's money management. Understanding the digital dollar. The digital dollar refers to a form of digital currency issued and regulated by the central bank, such as the Federal Reserve in the United States. Unlike cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, a digital dollar aims to provide a digital representation of a traditional fiat currency, while maintaining the stability and security associated with a government-backed money. Banks are embracing digital dollar while implying a fundamental shift in the way that financial transactions are conducted. Increased accessibility and efficiency. The adoption of the digital dollar by banks would result in an improved accessibility and efficiency in the financial transactions. Digital currency enables instant transfers, eliminating the delay for intermediaries associated with the traditional banking system. This means faster payments, reduced transaction costs, and enhances convenience for individuals who can now send and receive money seamlessly. Financial inclusion. One of the major benefits of the digital dollar is the potential to promote financial inclusion. Traditional banking systems have left millions of individuals unbanked and underbanked due to the barriers such as high fees, minimal balance requirements, and geographical limitations. By embracing the digital dollar, banks can offer financial services to underserved populations, allowing them to access banking facilities, make payments, and participate in the economy more easily. The digital dollar can offer security and privacy compared to traditional cash or card-based transactions. With the use of security encryptions and blockchain technology, the digital dollar can provide a traceable and tamper-proof transaction history. This reduces the risk associated with fraud, counterfeiting, and identity theft. Furthermore, individuals have more control over their personal financial data with the ability to share it securely and selectively. Potential impact on traditional banking? The adoption of the digital dollar by banks may have implications for traditional banking sectors. As digital currency gains popularity, banks might need to adapt their business models to remain competitive. They may need to invest in new technology and infrastructure to support digital transactions effectively. Additionally, the role of the bank as an intermediary in a financial transaction could evolve, potentially affecting their revenue streams. Regulatory challenges and consumer protection. The transaction to the digital dollar involves navigating various regulation challenges. Government and central banks will need to establish a robust framework to ensure that the consumer's protection, preventing money laundering and safeguarding against cybersecurity threats. Clear regulations and guidelines are crucial to building trust in the digital dollar and its adoption by banks. Effectively, oversight and regulation measures will be needed to address potential risk and promote responsible use of the digital currency. The introduction of the digital dollar has a potential to impact the overall economy. Digital transactions are more easily traceable, which can aid in tax complications and reduce the scope of illicit activities. Additionally, the increased efficiency in payment systems can boost economic productivity. However, the digital dollar impacts on interest rates, monetary policies, and financial stability will require careful analysis and consideration. The increasing support of the banks for the digital dollar signals a significant shift in the financial landscape. The adoption of the digital dollar can enhance accessibility, efficiency, and financial inclusion, and the security for individuals. However, this transaction requires careful planning, regulatory oversight, and the adoption by banks to ensure a smooth integration into the existing financial system. The digital dollar has the potential to revolutionize the way we manage money, and its implications should be approached with the balance between innovation and consumer protection. The digital dollar and its impact on various facets of society. The emergence of the digital dollar and the potential widespread adoption could have a profound impact on various facets of society. As digital currency becomes more prevalent, they will likely influence how people interact with money, financial systems, and even border economies. Let's explore some of the significant impacts it might have. Financial inclusion. The digital dollar could address the issue of financial exclusion, bringing banking services to the unbanked and the underbanked population. With a smartphone and the internet access, individuals in remote or disadvantaged areas can participate in the economy, making digital transactions and the access of financial services without relying on traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Payment systems and transactions. The adoption of the digital dollar would revolutionize the payment systems, enabling instant and low-cost transactions. Peer-to-peer payments, online purchases, and cross-border transactions could become more efficient, reducing the need for intermediaries and speeding up the financial processes. Privacy and security. The use of blockchain technology in digital currency can enhance privacy and security. Transactions can be encrypted and made traceable, reducing the risk of fraud and providing a security alternative to cash transactions. However, striking the right balance between privacy and regulatory needs to be crucial. Central banking policies. A digital dollar would grant central banks a new tool to implement monetary policies effectively. They could directly control the money supply, monitor the velocity of money, and influence the interest rates in real time, potentially leading to a more efficient and responsive economic management. Taxation and compliance. Digital currency offers transparency and traceable transactions, which could improve tax collection and reduce the prevalence of tax evasion. This, in turn, could positively impact government revenue and public services. Consumer behavior. The easier the use of digital dollar might alter consumer behavior. Quick and convenient transactions could encourage impulse buying and instant gratification, potentially impacting saving and spending patterns. The impact on banks. Banks might face disruption as individuals can directly hold digital dollars with the central bank, reducing their reliance on traditional bank accounts. Banks will need to innovate and evolve to remain relevant in this changing landscape. Global financial systems. The adoption of the digital dollar by different countries could lead to a more efficient and streamlined cross-border transactions, reducing currency exchange costs and mitigating currency fluctuations. Cybersecurity and fraud. The shift towards digital currency will require robust cybersecurity measures to protect against hacking and fraud attempts. Ensuring the security of the digital infrastructure will be crucial to maintaining trust in the system. Economic growth and innovation. A well-implemented digital dollar could drive economic growth and innovation. By reducing friction and financial transactions, the businesses can operate more efficiently, and new economic opportunities may arise in the digital economy. Social equality. The digital dollar accessibility could contribute to reducing wealth disparities and promoting social equality by providing financial opportunities to all members of society. Environmental impacts. The adoption of the digital currency may have environmental impacts, both positive and negative. On one hand, it could reduce the environmental footprint associated with traditional printing and distribution of cash. On the other hand, it may increase energy consumption due to the digital infrastructure required to maintain the systems. The digital dollar has potential to reshape multiple aspects of society, from financial inclusion to economic policies to consumer behavior and cybersecurity. However, its widespread adoption will require addressing regulatory challenges, ensuring data privacy, and fostering financial literacy amongst the public. As society moves towards embracing digital currency, it is essential to strike a balance between innovation and addressing potential risks, while keeping the interest of all members of society at the forefront. Adoption of digital dollar by banks. The bank's perspective on the concept of digital dollar may vary depending on several factors, including its size, location, and overall strategic vision. Generally, banks have acknowledged the potential of the digital currency, including the digital dollar, as an innovative and transformative development in the financial landscape. Some banks view it as an opportunity to enhance their services, improve efficiency, and offer more new products to consumers. To prepare for potential adoption of the digital dollar, banks might have taken various steps, such as research and development. Banks may have dedicated resources to study and understand the digital currency, including the technical aspects, regulatory applications, and the potential use in cases. Strategic partnerships. Some banks may have formed partnerships in fintech companies or other organizations specializing in digital currency solutions to gain expertise and access to innovative technologies. Pilot programs. Several banks may have initiated small-scale pilot programs or experiments to test the feasibility of the digital dollar adoption and to gather real-world data on customer behavior and system performance. Infrastructure upgrades. To accommodate the digital dollar transactions, banks may have upgraded their existing payment systems and digital infrastructure to handle digital currency transactions securely and efficiently. Compliance and regulatory considerations. Banks would likely be closely monitoring regulatory developments related to the digital currency and preparing to comply with any new guidelines or requirements that may be established. Customer education. As the concept of the digital dollar is relatively new to the general public, banks may have to start educating their customers on digital currency, the benefits, risks, and how they might be integrated into bank experiences. Cybersecurity measures. Banks would enhancing their cybersecurity measures to protect against potential threats and vulnerabilities associated with digital currency. It is essential to note that the level of preparation varies across different banks. Some may have a more proactive and progressive in their approach, while others may take a more cautious and conservative stance. As the landscape continues to evolve, banks must continuously adapt and be prepared to embrace digital currencies if they are to prove to be a significant part of the future finance. Please like and subscribe, and please, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below and let us know what you would like to learn more about.